Hello friends, this is a Novelty waterproof projector lamp, and you can see here these have many slides. um I will just slowly show like how this looks on, like, and as well I will show that to you. And you can just put it outside or inside, and then it can project all these images on your wall or your floor, roof, wherever you want to put it at. And you can see that I'm just opening the box, and it comes here with all these attachments. So this is the stand to put it inside, and this is like to put it outdoor. This is how, like, this is the knob to adjust it. This is the main projector. You can open this knob and you can put this one like for the outdoor. Screw it up, and then you can put it outdoor just in the ground like this, and you can set the position. The same thing is like when you remove this one and you put the stand on, you can actually put the stand inside. So here is the charging for the cable, and this is a good cable. Like if you have outdoor lights, spotlights in your garden, you can actually use this one. And these are all the slides for the projectors. So what I'm explaining is, like, for the knob you can actually add it with the existing outdoor thing, or you can put it whole solely. So when you see the knob, I will just try to put it in that knob and show it to you later. And here you can put all the slides in. So you can open these two knobs, and then you can slide in the slide for the projection. I will show you now how it looks like and how it works. So here that this is the adapter I was just talking about. So you can use this adapter. This is up to 240 volt, can be used in any country. And here that you can just plug it in the back, and you can also use your existing outdoor lights and you can add that one there. So here you can just put it in the knob, put it in the electricity, and here it start working. It is a moving, rotating slide. I just try to show you on my hands or on a box, because it is a day here, and I think I can show it clearly to you. Let me adjust it here a little bit, and here you can see now this is a butterfly one. And just adjusting so that I can show it on the video. So you can see now the butterflies, right? So it will go more when you put it on a wall or the roof. I'm trying to show you all the slides here. Here's the second one. Third one. It's like a funny stuff. This is like for the ladies party or something. Like peaceful birds. It's like for the winter. It's like the colorful hearts. It's like for the Halloween. Stars. And don't worry about that part, because when you put it on the roof or the wall, it will actually grow big. And these are the rotating fun for Christmas, birthday. It's a good collection of lights, I will say. Like the fall. Just putting the knob back. This is good quality, good fun stuff.